Just over 30 years ago, I wasn't able to speak maybe one word in the Zulu language. I think I probably knew how to say sawubona. But fast forward until 2019, and I was rated as one of the top 4 writers for the 3rd biggest isiZulu newspaper in our country called Bayede. I love sharing this journey with people. I love drawing people who are interested in other cultures and in other languages. In my case, I love teaching the isiZulu language, though I'm also able to teach you to speak the Russian language, the Sotho language of Pretoria, to read the ancient languages, Hebrew, Greek, and Latin. But if you're interested in learning to speak the Zulu language, well, then welcome to my channel. I like sharing the knowledge that I have. I have a background. I'd like to call myself a linguist, a historian, a theologian, a philosopher. But what I know, I'm passionate about, and I would love to share that with you. If you're interested in learning to speak the isiZulu language, welcome.